Welcome to Wonder Study. Today we will be dealing with chapter number 2, microorganism, friend or foe. Let's get into question number 1. The bread dough rises because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cell, kneading. So the right answer is growth of yeast cell. Yeast is used in baking industry for making bread. It increases the volume of dough. When yeast is mixed in dough for making bread, the yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, or oxygen. Alcohol. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. Process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection. So as you know, the right answer is fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Question number 4. Which one of the following is an antibiotic? Sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol, yeast. Streptomycin. Streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics. 5. The most common carrier of communicable diseases is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. Common carrier of communicable diseases. The housefly feed on garbage, animal excreta and dead organic matter. Disease cholera and tuberculosis spread by housefly only. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles, cockroach, housefly, female Aedes. The carrier of malaria causing protozoan is called Plasmodium that lives in the body of female Anopheles mosquito. Vaccine for smallpox was discovered by Alexander Fleming, Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch. Vaccine for smallpox in 1978. Can be converted into vinegar by the action of microorganism called virus, yeast, protozoa, bacteria. Answer is bacteria. The dilute solution of acetic acid is called vinegar. Alcohol can be converted into vinegar by the action of microorganism called bacteria. In this process, first alcohol is produced by using yeast. The Acetobacter bacteria is then added to alcohol. Acetobacter bacteria convert alcohol into acetic acid or so-called vinegar. Antibiotic called penicillin was extracted from bacterium, protozoan, fungus, algae. An antibiotic penicillin was extracted from fungus by Alexander Fleming in 1929. This antibiotic was made from fungus called penicillin. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a communicable disease? Cholera, cancer, chickenpox, malaria are communicable disease, while cancer is not a communicable disease. Question number 11. Which of the following increase the fertility of the soil? Lactobacillus bacteria, Rhizobium bacteria, Spirogyra algae, blue-green algae. The right organism, Rhizobium bacteria, blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen gas from atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen compound, hence increasing the fertility of the soil. Which of the following cannot be used as a food preservative? Sodium metabisulfite, sodium hydroxide, sodium benzoate, citric acid. Sodium hydroxide is the right answer. Sodium metabisulfate, sodium benzoate, and citric acid used as food preservative, whereas sodium hydroxide is not used as food preservative. Following disease is not caused by bacteria: cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, measles. Measles is the right answer. Cholera, typhoid, and tuberculosis are caused by bacteria, whereas measles is caused by a virus. The microorganism which can be reproduced and multiply only inside the cell of other organism are protozoa, fungi, bacteria, viruses. Answer here: viruses are too smaller in comparison to other microorganisms. They do not show most of the characteristic of living organism like respiration. They just reproduce. They, however, reproduce only inside the cell of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, plant, or animal. Dengue disease spread by Aedes mosquito is caused by bacteria, virus, protozoan, fungus. So the right answer is virus. Dengue disease is caused by a virus. Female Aedes mosquito act as a carrier of the dengue disease. Question number 16. Which of the following is not caused by virus? Measles, smallpox, cholera, polio. Measles, smallpox, and polio are caused by viruses, while cholera is caused by bacterium. Question number 17. The microorganism which is capable of converting sugar into alcohol is bacterium, fungus, algae, or protozoan. Yeast is the fungus capable of converting sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. So right answer is fungus. Following is not use of microorganism: preparation of medicine, preparation of food by photosynthesis, recycling of material in nature, increasing the fertility of soil. Preparation of food by photosynthesis. Some of the microorganisms are used to preparation of medicine. Some of microorganisms are used in recycling of food material in nature and increasing the fertility of the soil. The synthesis of food by photosynthesis take place in the labs, which with the help of inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Nitrogen in the atmosphere is 58%, 68%, 78%, 88%. 88%. This is the last question of our session of our video. Question number 20. Rust of wheat is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, amoeba. Remember it.